Well, here we are again with the amplifier. This is the SB-221 I picked up off of eBay and been working on it. So I spent a couple hours watching YouTube videos last night, and it seemed like the grounded grid thing was what to do with this thing. So interestingly enough, the guy that had this thing had all these parts on the grids. I mean, I'm not sure what all this stuff really did, but there's like a bazillion parts in this thing on the grids, on all three of them. So I took all the parts out. This is a 0.01 capacitor he had, which was feeding from the RF input to the cathode input here. And there was a big resistor here he had. I'm not sure what it did, but I yanked that out and it's in the wastebasket now, pieces and parts of it. So yeah, I don't really believe in other people's mods. Just take them all out. So here's my grid wiring. I mean, it matches. This is Mr. BBI's video here, and he has, you know, the grids grounded here. And he has them grounded here. I just pretty much copied what he did. Just used some 12 gauge wire, and I grounded the grids here. And grounded that there. This one's the same way, it's grounded here. So I grounded in two places just to try and get rid of harmonics if possible and parasitics. So that's what I did. And I took out his resistor here he had, and I took out the .01 capacitor. This is a pretty nice capacitor. It's a mica. It's probably pretty old. But, whoops, took that thing out. And I put in a Chi-Com capacitor. I don't know, maybe I should put in a mica capacitor if I have one. I think I do have one. Anyway, 0.01, 600 volts. So that's out. This one's supposedly a 3K volt. It's a 100 nanofarad, which is .01 microfarads, but it's a Chi-Com capacitor from Bojack, but we'll see how it works, hopefully. So that's about all I've done down in here. It's taken me like, gosh, hours to get these things bent up and installed. So this is one contiguous piece of wire here. This one I really made out well. I got one piece of wire that went all the way over here, then I ran through here, and I got it on the ground with one piece of wire. So that was some work. So now I guess I could test this thing, but I'm not really sure I want to power it up. I want to keep looking for different mods and see what I can back out. I'm still not convinced the 10 coils on this thing is copacetic, but who knows what the guy did. He's got some weird mods on the plate circuit too, so I want to back those out. So if this BBI guy does so well and gets 2200 watts out of one of these things, I figured what he does is correct. So I'm kind of following his lead. He's really, really good, Mr. BBI in Boise, Idaho. The amp repair guy is good too. He's more extensive in what he does with the, he actually buys strapping material and all that. I wasn't going to go through all that. And I don't want to drill holes in this thing. I just use 12 gauge and put it in there. So anyway, here's the schematic from Henry. This is the 2KD5. I had a Henry before. Whoops. I had one of these 2KD5s, and these guys ground the grids. So here's the grids on the 3500Zs, and you can see ground. So that's what Mr. BBI was talking about. He said, yeah, Henry does it, you know, and I think Drake does it. All these guys do it. So since he's pumping about 2,000 watts out of his amplifier with his tubes, I thought, well, let's at least get the amplifier to what he calls golden specifications and see how that works. So, okay, that's as far as I've gotten. Hope you're having a good weekend. Take care. Again, this is the video, hang on here, the video on my new acquisition, the Heathkit SB-221, what is this thing? 221, and I want to get this thing out of here too. Looks like these resistors are burning up. Looks like that one's on fire down there. All these mods got to come out. So sorry about the rotate. Yeah, all these mods got to come out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.